Hey guys, it's Wiki Quiz. Welcome to my channel. What do you think we're doing today? Today we're guessing animals by their pictures. This practice will be especially beneficial for toddlers, so grab one, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. This is a lion. Perfect. Number 2, can you guess this animal? It looks so stripy. A tiger. Good job. Number 3. Big one, right? This is an elephant. Good job. Number 4. He has a long neck. A giraffe. Perfect. Number 5. It looks so cute, doesn't he? This is a panda. Nice. Number 6. It also looks really cute. Koala. Slow koala. Number 7. These are birds, right? Penguins. Good job. Number 8. Amazing. This is a dolphin. I'm proud of you. Number 9. Looks courageous. A gorilla. Right. Number 10. What is the correct answer? This is a cheetah. A fast cheetah. 11. Somewhere from the North Pole. Polar bear. Exactly. 12. This is a jumpy one. A kangaroo. Beautiful. 13. Another stripy animal. Zebra. Good guess. Number 14. Look at her green. Great white shark. Good. 15. Another bird here. A bald eagle. Amazing. 16. This is a chimpanzee. Great. 17. What do you think about this one? This is an orca. Killer whale. Interesting name. 18. With a big horn. Who is this? Rhinoceros. Amazing. 19. This is a humpback whale. Another kind of whale here. 20. This red fox. Good. 21. Looks familiar, doesn't he? Grizzly bear. 22. So posh. Snow leopard. Great. 23. Who is this buddy? A hippo. Great. 24. Who is this? Do you know? A crocodile. Exactly. 25. We're halfway through. Don't give up. A bald eagle. We've had him already, right? However, repetition is the mother of studies. 26. Snowy owl. Looks terrific. 27. This animal looks so squashy. Octopus. Great. 28. Another cutie here. This is a red panda. Amazing. 29. What a smile he has. A sloth. Great. 30. This one has a long tongue, you see? Commodore dragon. 31. Can you guess this one? This is a sea turtle. Great. 32. I believe in you. Keep going. Blue whale. Terrific. 33. With 2 horns already, right? The African buffalo. 34. Bluish bird. Blue jay. Accordingly. 35. This is an Arctic fox. Great. 36. Who is this? This is an ostrich. Beautiful. 37. Platypus. Good job. 38. Look at them. They're so cute. Meerkats. 39. Who is this? This is a grey wolf. 40. And your answer, squirrel. Good. 41. She's minuscule, really. A hummingbird. Yep. 42. We have a Siberian tiger here. Really rare species. 43. Red-tailed hawk. 44. Who is this cutie? This is a raccoon. Great. 45. We have a few left. Really. Keep going. Peacock. Colorful peacock. 46. This is a flamingo. Exactly. 47. A bright toucan. Great. 48. With so many spots. Jaguar. 49. Don't give up. Lemur. And the last one, finally. Who is this? A deer. That's it for today. Write in the comments down below which animals of the following you didn't guess and if we should continue making such videos. See ya!